Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will solve one of the biggest problem of Power BI. For example, the sign in pop-up. For example, when I click any shape here and wanna change it, see this pop-up came out and it is very irritating to use during the dashboard creation or something like that. So how to correct this? So what are we gonna do is we will just go to the file, options and settings, options. And then go to the preview feature and then this translytical task flow, uncheck it. Okay, now close the Power BI, save. Now go to this, again open the Power BI. It will take some time. First you have to change the setting in the preview, then sign, then click close in the Power BI and restart the Power BI. Then you will see. Okay, now see, I'm changing it and no pop-up is coming. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.